We're here to take you on a tour of the new Wyatt homes in the Bedford community, and you are definitely not going to want to miss this one. Let's go. Hi, this is Denise from Vivid Lifestyle Realty, your go-to source for all things real estate and lifestyle in beautiful Corona, California and the surrounding areas. And today we are out here in the beautiful Bedford community. We have plugged them quite a lot. All the different builders and the different models and the community itself and the marketplace. So you can go to our YouTube channel and check all of that out. It's an amazing community. It's vibrant. They have an artistic feel throughout the whole community. The way they build, the way that they let you live, the amenities all speak to that, the marketplace. Everything is within like walking distance, so you can play, work, and live and hang out with your family and friends all within a small area, which is just amazing. They have some new single family homes. The builder is Tri-Pointe, an amazing builder. They're having some new builds that are single family homes coming up in the community as well. And then right now we're in the Wyatt, and it is a 3-story townhome in an amazing community. Like I said, I cannot say that enough. The amenities alone will just blow you away. So from things like the shed and working out and Pilates and yoga and multiple amazing pools and rocking chairs and coffee shops and wine bars and, foosball and pool and ping pong. There's just so much for you to do. Beautiful parks, beautiful dog parks, and then all within walking distance to the amazing Bedford Marketplace. So you just can't go wrong. You have very easy access to all that Corona has to offer, and also the 15 and 91 freeways. And like I said, you just can't, when you build the marketplace and shops and pools and all different kind of housing for different people, and then amenities galore. It is something that you just won't forget, and it's an amazing community. So we're gonna go right into Wyatt. So Wyatt is the 3-story townhomes from the builder Tri-Pointe Homes, and they just are packed with quality and amenities as well, and a lot of different spaces and rooms for you to live and grow. And while they don't have a lot of outdoor space in the actual townhome itself, you do all have your own little space, but the community right across the street from you is the shed with pools and workout rooms and different things. So just you're in an amazing spot, very close to where these are located, very close to Bedford Marketplace. It's just right across the street. And then also the amenities are right across the street as well. We're just going to roll right in and tell you all about what the Wyatt has to offer. So now we're in Wyatt, the Wyatt model, Plan 3 by Tri-Pointe Homes. And this one is amazing as well. They just keep getting a little bit better, but all of them utilize the space very well. And all of the kitchens are on the second level so that you get really incredible views of, like I said, where these guys are located in the Bedford community are within walking distance to a lot of amenities, and also to the Bedford Marketplace, really close to everything. It's a really great location. Dog parks, you're just right kind of central to everything. So that's amazing. This model is about 1,631 square feet. It is 3-story. All of these are 3-story townhomes. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, so it has extra bedrooms, extra bathrooms, so that's a great point for people with bigger families. And then it has a 2-bay garage with a little bit of storage and stuff, but just pretty much a 2-bay garage. However, as we moved up, the patios are really just I've never seen a lot of townhome communities. They usually will have space on the bottom, but they don't have that much space going up. And I think it's great that they have sliders and outdoor space. It brings in a lot of natural light. You can put a screen on there and leave it open for some airflow, which we're having amazing weather right now, like in the 60s. So it's great to have your windows open and your slider open. And then it also gives you a space to eat, to drink your coffee in the morning, and have incredible views. So really, really nice plan. Also, this one, when you come in, instead of just being kind of a little foyer with your garage and a little closet and etc., this has a little place for storage. It also has a very nice closet for storage with extra space in it. And it also has a bedroom down there as well. So I'm sure maybe you can have choices when you're moving in to the different layouts that you would like, but that one's really great. So if you would like a mother-in-law suite or something, you have that right down there, so nobody has to climb up the stairs. That's a really great, maybe if you had a great night on the town, or you were at a party, there's a bedroom down there. So anyway, it's great to have the extra bedroom as you walk in, just in case somebody can't go up the stairs or you hurt yourself or whatever, you have options. So that's amazing. And then also they have it's a smart home. So they have Ring doorbells and etc. But they also have and tankless water heaters and whatnot. But they also have a place where you can scan to see and buy the furniture that they have in the model. So that's really unique as well. Tri-Pointe just is a really high quality builder, and they have a lot of really neat perks. So I think that's nice, where if you really like the things in your space, you can definitely scan that and get the exact same thing. And so with that, let's go check it out. So once again, these are the Wyatt models, and we just want to let you know that we're here to be a resource. So if you have any questions about these, the Tri-Pointe models, in Bedford, we can definitely set up a time to go view them. And I can talk about prices and incentives and all of that as well, answer questions. I've lived in Corona for a long time. We're just around the corner, so I know a lot about all the communities and what it has to offer. So we would love to help you. If you're looking in 2 years, this year, next year, we'd love to help you navigate through these different, changing markets and rates and everything and what builders offer. We definitely love to, have some coffee with you or take you around and really let you see and feel what Corona has to offer. That we have a lot of videos on our YouTube channel about Bedford Marketplace, the Bedford Community. We have a Bedford Community tour. We have other models by Tri-Pointe and Taylor Morrison and etc. So please make sure you go check that out. If you'd like to check us out on Instagram or Facebook, you can at Vivid Lifestyle Realty. And then if you'd like to check out our website, you can definitely do that at vividlifestylerealty.com, where you can search for properties. You can let us know and we'll set up a custom property search for you. That way you only get the homes that you're interested in your email and or via email. And then definitely reach out to us, use us as a resource. We're here to help. We don't bite, I promise. I say that a lot, but we don't. And this is a very challenging market for a lot of people. I'm very well versed on that and what economists are saying and everything. So if you just would like to talk about the market, I'm here to help as well. And please, if you find this valuable, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. It really helps us to continue to go out there in the communities to, hit the dirt and let you see it from the ground up and really how awesome these communities are and these builders are. We'd love to help. So with that, we are so grateful you joined us on this tour, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.